वालेकुम। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS 101 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन 2024। द फ्लॉपी डिस्क वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द मार्केट बाय डैश। करेक्ट आंसर इज योशिरो नेकमैट्स। Dash brought the use of mouse-driven graphical user interface in computing. Correct answer is Apple Macintosh. Question number 4. Select the best option to create and edit HTML pages. Correct answer is Notepad, MS Word, front page. Question number 5. If the data type of a variable can be changed during the execution of a program, then the variable will be dash. Correct answer is dynamically typed. Question number 6. Identify which one of the following is not a type of JavaScript loop. Correct answer is switch. Question number 7. Suppose Microsoft launches a new operating system, then according to his heuristic, who will actually define whether that operating system is successfully or not. Correct answer is the user. Question number 8. Heuristic suggests that a program or module should be divided into maximum dash and minimum dash part. Correct answer is 9 and 5. Question number 9. Without a complete system, one can dash result from a part of system. Correct answer is not achieved. Question number 10. If you are required to join two labs of similar type of LAN, then which device will be more suitable to fulfill this requirement? Correct answer is bridge. Question number 11. Value of a variable dash in JavaScript. Correct answer is can be changed. Question number 12. Dash is used to terminate JavaScript statement. Correct answer is semicolon. Question number 13. Dash can be used in JavaScript to open multiple pop-up windows when a particular web page is open. Correct answer is on load. Question number 14. The output of document write 2 plus math pi is correct answer is 23.14, 15, 9 to 6 up to so on. Question number 15. Suppose you are giving a string str title which is University of Pakistan, then which of the following can be used to count the number of characters in the string? Correct answer is str hyphen title dot length. Question number 16. Suppose you have an RGB scheme based image of 1024 multiplied 768 pixels. Select the appropriate space you should have in your computer to store this image. Correct answer is 2.25 MB. Question number 17. On a web page, if we need to execute a script when a user exits the page, then which event handler should we use to run that script? Correct answer is on unload. Question number 18. In relational database, table rows are called dash. Correct answer is records. Question number 19. In relational database, table columns are called dash. Correct answer is field. Question number 20. In the context of intelligent system, soft boots is also termed as dash. Correct answer is autonomous web agent. Question number 21. If the calling function is a part of JavaScript statement, then the definition of this function will must have the dash statement. Correct answer is return. Dash is a container that holds a single value. Correct answer is variable. Question number 23. Dash refer to DOS attack. Correct answer is overburdening of the system. Question number 24. Launching DOS attack involves some steps. The second step in this attack is dash. Correct answer is R. Question number 25. For creating 2D animation, dash will be more appropriate choice. Correct answer is web browser. Question number 26. The process which lead us to the exact location of effects in a program is termed as dash. Correct answer is debugging. Question number 27. By adding commit, we make the code more dash. Correct answer is readable. Question number 28. Ethic is a collection of dash that when followed improve our way of life. Correct answer is heuristic. Question number 29. In HTML, dash tag is used for smallest heading. Correct answer is H6 greater than F6. Question number 30. How many symbols are used in binary number system? Correct answer is 2. Antivirus software is a kind of dash. Correct answer is utility program. Question number 32. Relationship among the cells of MS Excel sheet can be created by dash. Correct answer is formula. Question number 33. Learning through trial and error is specially termed as dash. Correct answer is heuristic. Question number 34. In software house, dash is responsible for ensuring the quality of the software. Correct answer is quality assurance team. Question number 35. A home page is a part of a dash. Correct answer is website. Please like and subscribe.